Last day, we will talk about these things. Django project, app, loose coupling, and how to create this app and how to connect this with Django. Today we will know very interesting things. We will know the templates, Django templates and HTML and how to connect this HTML to Django templates or Django and print the statements which we want to write in the HTML. Okay. So first we have to open this CMD. Okay. And also we have to open the Django project. So first we have to connect our environment. So let's go into this. Then we have to select the, I think this is, you will remember, script. Let's see. And then we have to activate this thing. Now our environment is activated. Now we have to the Django program file. And now we are get into the our project. So which projects in there? You can simply check the calculator project is there. So we will enter the calculator and then we will open the VS Code. Talk about this templates. So Django provides the Django templates. If we go into the VS Code and let's pull up all these things and open these things only. Here something called templates. So Django provides the templates by default. So this is the templates. And in these templates, there are something backend, DIRs, app, and options. So apps DIRs, it's called that we can create a template in the basic app, means in the app. So these apps underscore dirs is called, it means we can create a template in the app. So now we will create a template in the app. How we can create? We will click here and we can add a new folder whose name is templates. Our folder is created. Now, in this folder, we will create a new file, which is a HTML file. Okay, I will give the, for easy to understand, I will give the name basic.html. Yeah, our HTML file is created. Now, if we press this and enter, then our HTML code is come here and we have to write the text which we want to print in these things. So if we write h1 and then it will come and suppose we will print hello world. We will print hello world. So these things is done. This HTML file work is done. You want to print anything, we will write here. Okay. Now we have to view these things. How we can view? So after writing, we have to view something, right? So we have to go in the view.py. Let's clear this. In this view.py, we have to create a function. If I gave the function name as basic, and the core Python function. We know that this structure is a core Python function, but we do here the HTML. We didn't do core Python. So here is something else. So first, in this basic function, we have to write request. Write request and came here return. We have to call this render function. This is also a function. We have to here space, and in this render function, we'll pass the request parameter. Also, we'll pass the name of the template. So the name of the template is basic.html. So which we want to view? The template means the name of the template is in this name of the template, the text we want to view. So we have to write the name of the template. Now I'll split the screen. And now I have to splitting screen. I have to join. I'll talk you that why I split the screen. This is for easiness, nothing else. So we have to join this. In this point, Django doesn't know that what is HTML and why I will write this and what the work I want to do this. That's why we have to inform Django that there is a HTML file and there is a HTML file and we want to print these things. So how can we do this? We know that for joining we want a we wanted URLs dot. By the using of URLs.py, we can join many things like we can join the app with this basic means this basic app with our project. But there is no URLs.py. But remember, we have a URLs.py in our project. Yes, here it is. So we can simply copy this from File Explorer, Ctrl C, and we can paste here in this basic.py. We have to go in this. We have to paste. Now see, there comes the URLs. Dot. Yeah. So now I will split the screen and see here is the basic view dot py and here is the URLs. So we have to import something. What we will import? We have to import from dot views. I opened the wrong URLs, I think. Let's collapse this and open this. And now I will do this. So from dot views, last time I actually opened the calculator URLs.py. This is not work. This will please check this very minutely. That after doing the views.py, we have to uh, correct the URLs.py of the basic.py, not the calculator.py. So views and dot is connected. And from dot views import this basic. So from dot views we have to import this basic. Now came here. We have to call this path, means this is also a function. We have to call this function and have to write here quotation and paste told you that why this quotation is here. I will tell you later. So we correct the URL start point, but at this point this is not working. This will show some errors because now we didn't correct this. We just create here the HTML and then we correct the views.py and then correct the URLs.py in the basic app. But we didn't connect with calculator. So now we have to connect. I just close all this and let's split the screen. Now we have to, every time you will collapse this. So this is, you can understand very easily. When the many things will come here, you can understand it's easy. So come to here and open the URLs.py of the our project. So now we have to actually we have to include something. And here we have to call the path and also we have to write this and include. In this include, we have to call the basic apps URL. So we have to call it here. Basic app dot URLs. So now this is connected. Now this is connected. Let's see. So Python manage.py run server. See, this is work. Okay, let's check it in the browser. See, our hello world is printed. So that's how we can print anything. This is very interesting. We have to practice it. So I think this is clear to you. In the next day, we will talk about the next step of these things. Thank you so much.